Is your dog secretly feeling lonely and you have no idea? Most people think dogs will cry or visibly fall apart when they feel lonely, but the truth is that dogs rarely show loneliness in obvious ways. Instead, they communicate through small behaviors that most owners fail to recognize. And if we miss these signs for too long, a perfectly happy dog can slowly slip into emotional distress without ever making a sound. Today, we're uncovering 10 hidden signs of loneliness in dogs that you should never ignore. And make sure you stay until sign number 3, because it's one of the most heartbreaking behaviors a dog can show, and almost every owner misinterprets it. Welcome to Doggy Dude, the channel where we help you understand your dog's emotions and build the strongest bond possible. If you love learning how to keep your dog happy, healthy, and understood, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's begin. Sign number 10. Losing interest in play. Imagine picking up your dog's favorite toy and expecting that excited tail wag, but instead, they just look at it for a moment and walk away. Dogs are naturally playful, no matter their age, so when they suddenly stop caring about toys, fetching, or running around, something deeper is going on. Veterinarians report that dogs who are emotionally lonely often show a sharp drop in playfulness because they don't have the energy or motivation to enjoy things they once loved. It's similar to how a lonely or depressed person might stop enjoying their hobbies. If your dog ignores playtime, the best solution is interaction. Don't just give them toys, play together. Try gentle tug games, hide and seek, or introducing new toys to reignite excitement. Your presence can bring the spark back. Sign number 9, restlessness and pacing. Have you heard your dog pacing back and forth for no reason or constantly shifting positions like they're unable to settle down? This is a very common sign of emotional discomfort. Lonely dogs often don't know what to do with their energy, so they pace around the house searching for stimulation or comfort. Some may even start digging at carpet corners or scratching walls just to release frustration. It's their silent way of saying, "I don't know what to do and I need help." More physical exercise and structured activities can make a massive difference. Longer walks, agility exercises, or puzzle-based games that keep their brain busy. A tired dog is calmer and far less lonely. Sign number 8, sudden changes in appetite. Many people assume only illness affects appetite, but loneliness plays a huge role too. Some lonely dogs lose interest in food entirely, staring at their bowl without touching it. Others do the opposite. They overeat or beg constantly, using food as emotional comfort. Just like humans who stress eat or lose appetite, dogs react differently to emotional pain. If your dog is eating less, try hand feeding to rebuild trust and excitement around meals. If they're eating too much, use slow feeder bowls to control the pace and reduce emotional binge eating. And most importantly, spend more time together. Attention is the best appetite booster. Sign number 7, destructive behavior. You come home and find shredded pillows, chewed shoes, or trash everywhere. It's easy to say, "Mom, my dog is being bad." But in reality, destruction is often a coping mechanism for loneliness and boredom. Studies show that destructive behavior increases dramatically in dogs left alone for long periods, especially more than 6 hours. Some even chew door frames or dig at entryways trying to escape and find their owners. The solution is not punishment, it's stimulation and routine. Rotate toys, increase physical activity, and use puzzle feeders to challenge their mind. A busy brain is a peaceful brain. Sign number 6, excessive licking or chewing themselves. If your dog constantly licks one spot on their paws or legs, so much that fur starts thinning or skin turns red, it's not normal grooming. It's emotional self-soothing. Licking releases endorphins that temporarily calm sadness and anxiety, similar to how humans bite nails or tap feet when stressed. But repetitive licking can cause painful sores and infections. Redirect the behavior with interactive activities and give your dog more attention and enrichment. Sometimes the cure is simply spending quality time together. Sign number 5, nonstop barking or howling. Have your neighbors ever said your dog cries or barks the whole time you're gone? That's not stubbornness. It's literally a cry for help. Dogs are pack animals, and being alone feels unnatural to them. They vocalize to call for someone, hoping they won't be abandoned forever. Certain breeds like huskies, beagles, and terriers are especially prone to vocalizing from loneliness. But any dog can start if they feel emotionally isolated. Calming background noise, food puzzles, or leaving a worn t-shirt that smells like you can help. If you want to learn more about your dog's behavior and emotional needs, make sure you subscribe. We post new videos every week to help you become the best dog parent you can be. And always make sure they exercise before you leave so they're relaxed when alone. Sign number 4, following you everywhere. Does your dog act like a shadow, attached to you every second, even when you're just going to another room for a moment? Yes, it's adorable, but excessive clinginess can be a sign of loneliness turning into anxiety. Dogs become terrified that you might leave them again, so they never let you out of their sight. Practice short periods of separation inside the home. Reward calm, independent behavior and gradually build confidence. Healthy independence is just as important as companionship. Sign number 3, sudden aggression or irritability. This is the most misunderstood sign of loneliness. A normally sweet, gentle dog might begin growling, snapping, or reacting sharply to small things. Owners often think, "Why are you acting like this? What's wrong with you?" But emotional loneliness can cause frustration that eventually turns into irritability. Their stress hormones build up until they don't know how to release them safely. Before assuming behavioral problems, rule out health issues with a vet. If they're healthy, focus on more social interaction, play dates, dog parks, training classes, or simply more bonding time. A well-socialized dog is a happier dog. Sign number 2, sleeping much more than usual. Dogs love to nap, but if your dog suddenly sleeps endlessly and shows no interest when you walk in the door, it's a concern. Lonely dogs often shut down emotionally and sleep out of boredom or sadness. They're not tired, they just have nothing to look forward to. If your dog used to greet you with excitement but now barely lifts their head, something is wrong. Create daily routines with predictable play, walks, and training. Routine gives purpose and emotional structure. Sign number 1, over-the-top excitement when you return. All dogs love seeing their owners come home. But if your dog reacts like a rocket, spinning, crying, and shaking, even after short absences, this is more than affection. It's relief. It means being alone was emotionally painful for them. Leave them with comfort items like a soft blanket or something that smells like you, and practice gradual departures where you leave for just a minute and return calmly. Teaching them that alone time is temporary builds security. If your dog shows any of these signs, don't feel guilty. The fact that you're watching this video means you care deeply. Loneliness is treatable, and sometimes the solution is as simple as more quality time, more interaction, and more love. Tell me in the comments which of these signs you've noticed in your dog. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe so you never miss new videos about dog psychology and emotional wellness. Check out the playlist on screen for more tips to keep your pup happy, healthy, and understood. Thanks for watching Doggy Dude, and give your dog a hug from us. See you in the next video.